power minus x dx. This is known as gamma function. This is denoted by gamma of n. Okay. This is the generalized factorial. This is known as gamma function. See, where we will use this gamma integral means to evaluate improper definite integral. That means see here. The integral limits will be either a or b, or it will be indefinite, that is 0 to infinity e power minus t dt. This is the improper definite integral. This is given in page number 50. See, some properties of integral is given. That is, this is the gamma symbol. Gamma of n plus 1 is equal to n gamma n. Next one is gamma n plus 1 is equal to n factorial. Next one is of 1 by 2 is equal to root pi. Gamma 1 is equal to 1. Gamma 0 is equal to infinity. These are all the properties of gamma integral. Okay, this and that we will use it in our problem. See our first question. What is first question? Gamma 4. See, first one is gamma 4. This one I am going to split it and write it as gamma of 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is 4 then. So this is of the form. What property use gamma n plus 1 is equal to n factorial. Okay, what is the n value here? Give n plus 1. Here 3 plus 1. So n equal to 3. 3 factorial. What is the answer for 3 factorial? 3 plus 6. Okay. See next, second question. What is second question? Gamma of 9 by 2. Gamma of 9 by 2. This one I am going to write it as 7 by 2 plus 1. The 9 by 2 I am split panni eduthukken 7 by 2 plus 1. Here I am going to use this property. See, gamma of n plus 1 is equal to n gamma n. This property only I am going to use it in this problem. See, appo I enna pannirken split panni eduthukken. So listen. Gamma of n plus 1 is n gamma n. That means 7 by 2 gamma 7 by 2. Okay children? Again you have to split it. If in the 7 by 2 I now split panna porana 5 by 2 plus 1. This is of the form gamma of n plus 1. Again idhum enna kondu varum n gamma n. That means n gamma n. Have you understood children? See, again thirumba split panni eduvum. Listen. Again you split this 5 by 2 as 7 by 2, 5 by 2. Gamma of 5 by 2 I am going to write it as 3 by 2 plus 1. If you add, you will get obviously you will get only 5 by 2 da varapodhu. So 3 by 2 plus 1. Then enna panna porom? 7 by 2, 5 by 2. Gamma of n plus 1 is n gamma n. Appo here n is 3 by 2 n gamma n. Again you split this 3 by 2 on right. So 3 by 2 thirumba split panna enna varum? 7 by 2, 5 by 2, 3 by 2. Split this and write it as 1 by 2 plus 1. 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2 then. Now this is of the form gamma of n plus 1. Again you will get 7 by 2, 5 by 2, 3 by 2. Now you will use this property gamma of n plus 1 is n gamma n. Here n is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 gamma of 1 by 2. Have you understood children? Already I said what is gamma of 1 by 2? The value is root pi. So substitute here. 7 by 2, 5 by 2, 3 by 2, 1 by 2 into here instead of this. This is what we will substitute panna porom. Root pi. So now you multiply this. This ellathiyum multiply pannikonga enna varum? 35 into 3. 105. 105 by 16. What is gamma of 1 by 2? Root pi. This is the answer. Have you understood children? What property I used here? Gamma of n plus 1 is n gamma n. So the question is split pannite substitute here. That's it. Have you understood? Next is the third problem. This exercise is very easy exercise. They will ask only in 2 marks. Just you listen. Third problem. What is third question? Integral 0 to infinity e power minus mx x power 6 dx. This is the special case. See, special case of gamma integral, we can use this formula. Say integral 0 to infinity x power and e power minus ax dx is equal to n factorial by a power n plus 1. This is the formula. We can use it for some special case of gamma integral. There are some special case ki use panikalam. Here I am going to use it here. You compare and see. What is the value of a? Compare with the question. N oda value enna irukku parunga 6. What is the value of a? A is equal to m. Nama formula enna? N factorial by a power n plus 1. Here n is 6. That means 6 factorial by m power 6 plus 1. What is the answer? 6 factorial by m power 7. This is the answer. See, remaining 3 problems are there. Like this, you have to use this formula and substitute and solve it. Okay, children. Next, I am going to take C. Next exercise. 2.11. In 2.11, you are going to see about definite integral as the limit of a sum. We are going to sum the limit. See here. See in page number 53, exercise 2.11 is there. See the first question, integral 0 to 1. This is first question, integral 0 to 1 x plus 4 dx. What is the formula for limit to a sum? See here, integral a to b f of x dx is limit n tends to infinity, h tends to 0. Summation r is equal to 1 to n. See, n tends to infinity, h tends to 0, r is equal to n to n, h f of a plus rh. This is the formula which we are going to apply for this problem. Compare and see what is a here. A value is 0. What is the value of b? 1. Substitute here. Actually, h is equal to b minus a by n. Substitute the value of b is 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. So 1 by n. Now find f of a plus rh. That means f of, here a value is 0. 0 plus r, h value is by n. So r by n. That is f of r by n. In the place of x, you have to substitute r by n. In x value place substitute r by n, so that you will get r by n plus 4. Have you understood, children? That is f of a plus rh. Now see here, limit n tends to infinity, summation r is equal to 1 to n. Here what is the formula? H is given. What is the value of h? 1 by n. 1 by n. What is f of a plus rh? R by n plus 4. Okay. நம்ம என்ன பண்ணிருக்கோம்? h ஓட வேல்யூ சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்ணிருக்கோம். Then f of a plus rh வேல்யூ எடுத்து இங்க சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்ணிருக்கோம். Now see here, limit n tends to infinity, summation r is equal to 1 to n. Now you multiply this. உள்ள கொண்டு போய் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணீங்கன்னா you will get r by n square. இங்க என்ன வரும்? plus 4 by n. Okay, children. Now what I am going to do? இப்போ வெளியில கொண்டு split பண்ணணும். See here. Limit n tends to infinity. உள்ள கொண்டு வாங்க. 1 by n square is there. அது வெளியில எடுத்துங்க. 1 by n square summation r is equal to 1 to n. Here what is remaining? 1 by n square வெளியில எடுத்துட்டீங்கன்னா only r plus again you take 1 by n outside. அப்ப என்ன இருக்கும்? Summation r is equal to 1 to n. Only 4 is remaining. 4. Okay. See. Now limit n tends to infinity 1 by n square. This is of the form. See here in page number 51 some cases are given. Already in 11th, 10th and 11th standard you have learned. See here. Sum of n natural number formula enna varum? N into n plus 1 by 2. This formula only we are using here. Inga enna varum? See here plus 1 by n 4n. Only constant is there. Appo enna use pannuvom? N. Okay, you can cancel n. Inga enna here also you can cancel n. Appo what is remaining? See, if you cancel, in the remaining limit n tends to infinity 1 by 2 n plus 1 by n. Again, only plus 4. Okay, now what I am going to do? See the 4 and the half and available. 4 plus 2 limit n tends to infinity, divide by n, 1 plus 1 by n. Have you understood, children? If n tends to infinity, you will get only 1 down. So 4 plus 2. What is the answer? The answer is 6. Have you understood, children? See here 4 plus here 1 by 2. See, if you are taking outside 4 plus 1 by 2, take LCM. 4 plus 1 by 2 is, take LCM, answer is 9 by 2. Have you understood, children? Limit n tends to infinity, now this will become 0, only 1 down. So you add with this. 4 plus 1 by 2, take LCM, 9 by 2. This is the answer. Have you understood, children? Just you substitute in formula. Formula h value கண்டுபிடிச்சிருக்கோம். a plus rh value substitute பண்ணிக்கோங்க. n ஓட மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Then take outside 1 by n square வெளிய எடுத்துறோம். r is there. Sum of n natural numbers formula. See, it is given in page number 51. Some results are there. Integral ku results irukku limited. r n into n plus 1 by 2. Here 4. இதுக்கு என்னன்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா only n. Cancel this. You will get only 4. In the 4 in the half ஐயும் நான் வெளியில கொள்ளுங்க. 4 plus half. Next limit n tends to infinity. This n cancel ஆச்சுனா 1 plus 1 by n. Then it will become the 1 மட்டும் தான் வரும். 4 plus half is equal to 9 by 2. This is the answer. Have you understood? See next problem. Second question. See next second problem. Integral 1 to 3. Integral 1 to 3 x dx. Now you write the formula. What is the formula? Integral a to b f of x dx is limit n tends to infinity, h tends to 0, summation r is equal to 1 to n h into f of a plus rh. This is the formula for limit of a sum. Now you compare with the given question. What is the value of a? A is equal to 1. B is equal to 3. What is h formula? H is b minus a by n. That is 3 minus 1 is 2 by n. F of a plus rh. That is f of 1 plus 2r by n. Only x is given in the question. So directly you can substitute this value. So listen. Integral 1 to 3 x dx is limit n tends to infinity, summation r is equal to, here see the question only r and n is there, so I am substituting only n tends to infinity, not h. Okay, h value is 2 by n, 1 plus 2r by n. Just you multiply with this. See, integral 1 to 3 x dx is limit n tends to infinity, summation r is equal to 1 to n. Just you multiply, you will get 2 by n plus 4r by n square. And it is n square. Okay. Now, limit n tends to infinity. Take outside. Take 1 by n outside. Summation r is equal to 1 to n, only 2. Plus, take 4 by n square outside. Upper remaining n is summation r is equal to 1 to n, only r. What is the formula? If only constant is there, n will. Okay. So, listen. Limit n tends to infinity. Here 1 by n into 2n plus 4 by n square. This is sum of a natural number formula. So, n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay, children. Now see, you can cancel this n. What is remaining? Limit n tends to infinity. Here only 2 is there. Here cancel panina, you will get n plus 1. 2 into n plus 1 by n. Okay. Now take this 2 outside. The 2 common 2 plus 2. See here. Limit n tends to infinity. Remaining 1 plus n plus 1 by n. This n get cancelled. 1 plus 1 by n aiduma. So listen. See, remaining 1 plus 1 by n. If n tends to infinity, only the 1 there. That means 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Have you understood, children? Sum same method. See, totally 4 problems are there. Remaining ellame idhe method. Same formula you have to use. The f of a plus r is kandupidikkanum. Inga pathina only see x dx, only x is there. Appo directly we can substitute this. Suppose indha mari illama x plus 3, 2x plus 4. See the third question. What is given? 2x plus 3. 2x plus 3. That means 2 into, substitute this x value in the place you are going. Substitute pannite simplify pannina, you will get the answer. Have you understood, children? See, with this exercise over. Second chapter fully over. Remember, you do it as homework. Okay? Thank you, children.